Welcome to our journey into functional programming FP with JavaScript. FP is a programming paradigm that emphasizes the use of pure functions, immutability, and the avoidance of changing state. This approach helps us write more predictable, maintainable, and composable code. By adopting FP, we can write more predictable and maintainable code. This leads to better collaboration, easier testing, and faster development. Let's dive into 3 core FP concepts. A pure function is one that always returns the same output given the same inputs. Let's see an example of a pure function in JavaScript. In FP, we strive to create immutable data structures. This means that once created, the data cannot be changed. FP encourages the use of function composition to create new functions from existing ones. Let's see how we can apply FP concepts to real-world scenarios such as data transformation. Let's create some diagrams to help us visualize the concepts we've covered so far. Let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when working with FP. Let's summarize the key concepts and takeaways from this video. Where can you go from here? Here are some next steps. Thank you for joining me on this journey into functional programming with JavaScript. Remember to keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro at FP.